Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this episode of Fountain Fox Garage. We're back here in the old shop back in the lovely Inland Empire, California. And today we're actually going to be doing a little bit of an impromptu video. I did not intend on making a video today. But my dad and I just got back from the Eco Crawl event that was down in, I think it was Norco, California. And while we were there, a lot of cool Jeeps, a lot of cool ideas, and not much truck stuff, but we did come across these. These are actually rock lights made by ProComp. If the camera won't focus, hello. There you go. By ProComp. I know they're usually known for their suspension work, but apparently they've been in the lighting industry for quite a while. This is a little 6-kit rock light kit deal, I guess. And I had the great idea. So we're standing there talking to the gentleman about, rock lights and what we could do with them. I have no reason for rock lights. Rock lights were originally intended to go under the fender wells of your Jeep or your truck, your off-road vehicle, I guess, so that you could see obstacles while you're off-roading at night. I'm not going to do that with them. Instead, I want to use them as work lights. Well, not really work lights, but bed lights for inside my truck. So I already went ahead and mark the line. I'm going to double check that that's level before I go ahead and drill the holes. And yeah, I just want to show you guys a different way of doing it. So if anyone out there has, one of these Silverados or GMC Sierras and they want to have bed lights, when you're loading stuff in the bed of your truck at night, you never know. Every now and then it's dark right there. So, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and do that with the rock lights. And also because I noticed, if you look down in there, there's a hole. And that hole will allow me to run the wires down my bed and along my frame and be able to wire them up. And hopefully it'll be a good video for you guys. Hopefully this will work great for me. And yeah, so let's get to work. Holes drilled now. I just want to make sure all these actually work. So it's pretty cool. ProComp gives you, it's like a little rubber grommet of sorts, and it's pretty cool. It's got this little slit in it, which obviously would be for the harness. It looks like it gives you the option of going through either here or here. I think I'm gonna run it through there so it's not as tight, but I just want to verify that before I go ahead and drill the hole in the bed of my truck, because that would suck if I'm wrong. Feed this through. Okay. So yeah, so the light sits in a little grommet like that. And for anyone who's wondering how high they sit, I do have a tape measure. About 3/4 of an inch. So they don't stick out very much, so which is cool. Sweet. Yeah, the kit comes with hardware and washers and some, some nylon nuts, very small, 8 millimeters, I think, and then the Allen head is like a 3, I think. So if you're watching this and want to know what tools you need. Okay, guys, so we got the first one mounted up. I did make sure it was level with my trusty level. Yeah, see, level. I swear I have one. I made sure it was level. Got the wires ran through and the locking nuts on. As you can see, I'm gonna have to route it through that hole, but first I want to get the other 3 lights. So we're gonna do one over there, we're gonna do one in that corner and one in this corner, and then we'll worry about the wiring. What's up, guys? It's the next day now, and my buddy Javier is actually here. He's currently underneath my truck for some reason. He's just checking it out. I'll introduce you to him in a minute. Yeah, I did not finish putting in the switch last night. Actually, I was waiting for him. He decided he wanted to be on the YouTube channel with me, so he's here.
The sun, it burns.
Everyone say hi to Javier.
How's it going, fellas? How's everybody doing this afternoon?
He'll be here hopefully a lot. He's actually the friend. I don't recall if I mentioned in a previous video. He's going to detail the truck.
Yes, I am.
And we'll film that because
It's gonna be great.
he's got his little detailing business. He wants to
Get going.
get going higher. So
Yeah.
we'll do that.
So how are we
So
starting this baby up first?
yeah, I guess we're gonna figure out. Well, I want to get all 4 of the wires together, so we just have the 2 leads, and then we'll figure out switch placement from there. Because I have extra wires, so we can extend the switch if we want to put the switch back here or in the cap.
Okay, so at this point we would just have to start routing everything and start zip tying it as we go.
Yeah, I just want to route everything to that corner, and then we'll go from there.
Freaking A. Alright, so this one's good. So we're gonna start with that.
Okay, so that's the ground. Oh, here we go. I already had that one on. Oh, that could have ended tragically.
I know.
Oh, God.
Everywhere. It's a disaster.
Alright, where'd you put the creeper?
I put it back. It's right there.
Well, I should probably get zip ties ready, huh? Zip ties are an extremely helpful thing.
Yes, it is. Get it together, bro.
And
Delicious food everywhere.
bright. These were supposed to be lime, but I'm pretty sure those are yellow. Right?
That's neon, bro.
No, they were supposed to be lime green. And these are straight up neon yellow, aren't they?
They're, I guess you could say, highlighter green.
They're straight up yellow. I don't care. they're yellow, man. Alright, so now we need to figure out how to get this wire, which is our passenger side front bed light. You get it up and over the frame and somehow get it over the gas tank into that wire right there, just to simplify our wiring job. Alright, check it out. On these beds, on these trucks, I think this is the OEM. Or obviously it's OEM because it's never changed. It's like a bed rail, kind of a support underneath the bed. I decided to run the wire through there. And then look at that, there's a little access hole right there. Wire comes out, super clean mount. It's not gonna hang down. Don't have to waste zip ties to hold it up. I can't stop this feeling. It's deep inside of me.
Wow, you really know this song.
Now you just don't realize what you do to me. When you hold me, I hooked on a feeling. I'm high on believing that you're in love with me.
See, we have wired me and my buddy Eric, or should I say this is his vlog, his truck, his all goodness.
Found Fox Garage, bro. It's about all of us.
But as you can see, we wired and loomed it all up all nice and pretty. That nice little red, as you can see. It's kind of hard to move this camera around without bumping it and everything. So sorry, guys. How are we doing?
Grounds are together. Powers are about to be together. A positive, whichever way you want.
Oh, you have the hood open already?
It's popped, but I haven't opened it yet.
Well, I'll open it up. So nice and clean.
We are pretty much ready to figure out our switch location and run our battery power, because the harness that came with the Pro Comp Rocklight kit comes with a generic little ass harness. So I guess we'll figure out how to get that from battery power all the way up there to right here.
So what do we got going on?
So I don't want to drill another freaking switch into my dashboard. So instead, we kind of had the epiphany, I guess, of we're going to just tap into the power for the already wired cargo light on the truck and just have it all run off one light switch. Just make it easier. So we'll go ahead and probe this, figure out which wire is the power wire, and that way there's only one extra wire we got to run through the truck, at least to the cab, and then we'll ground the wires right to the frame, which you pointed out to me because I was overthinking it. And we should have lights here soon. So once the sun goes down, we'll actually like film a good like, hey, this is how bright they are. So
See how it goes.
yeah. That's what happened over here.
Okay.
We discovered that GM
Has
cargo lamp is
ground.
ground side switch.
Power.
Ground side switch.
So,
Stupid.
yeah, because what we're trying to do is just kind of get the power from the switch to light up everything else, so we wouldn't have to drill a hole that we have to currently do now because of that. Would you elaborate? Ooh, a little more.
Don't lose your balance there. So yeah, now we gotta drill and put a switch in my dashboard right next to the other one. So. So red is my back work lights, and then the blue is going to be the bed lights. So, and yeah, by the end of the video we should have that working, so I can show you guys that, but yeah. Hey guys, this has been the entire video building to this.
Hi guys, back here.
Javier's over there. Yeah, we wanted to turn off the lights so we could prove to you how bright these are. Hit it. Oh my god.
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
Dude, I mean, it's you staring at them, it's straight up pretty bright.
They're
Oh!
smart ass. They're a little bright, but
Holy crap, they're real bright. I'm gonna put one in the back of my Jeep.
you know what? In the middle of the night, loading, you know, tools, furniture. I don't know if I'll ever have a dirt bike or a quad or anything back here. Now we can see. And eventually, when there's a tonneau cover over it too, we could turn it on, make sure our load isn't shifted.
Dude, you know what the best
This
part
was
is?
solid.
You know what the best part is? If you really wanted to, you could put a camper on it
Yeah.
and legit just have like your own little bed, your little stuff back here, and that's it. It'd be dope.
They're solid. All right.
We're good.
You can turn it off. Thank you, sir. Cool.
I just want to turn on last time. They're already nice and pretty.
They are nice and pretty, yeah. So.
I think they're 800 each.
Yeah, I think they are 800 each. Well, that's what the box said, so. Job well done. Thank you, Javier.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming. I guess that concludes this episode.
Yeah.
A very impromptu episode, so.
Definitely.
Again, thank you again for coming out at short notice to assist.
Oh, no. You guys best believe I'm going to be in these videos.
Yeah, he said he wants to be here more, so you will hopefully see his face again. You definitely will next weekend or the weekend after, whenever we can figure out.
Schedule.
Yeah, whenever we can schedule the detail. Get it. So.
Yeah, dude, but I'm for sure excited because at night, see it all nice and shiny with the lights and everything. It'll be like a show car in the middle of the day or at night. Don't matter. It's going to be sexy.
Cool. So we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. Show some support. Please. I hope more than 8 people watch this video.
Yes. You guys
I heard that laugh. Thank you. We'll see you guys next time.